Hello everyone. From now I'm going to start the AutoCAD lesson practice, and this is the first practice that I am going to show you. So let's begin. So at first click a new window or new drawing. Okay, so this is a new drawing page. Now just switch off the grid mode because I don't need this one. And for this one, for the drawing, at first select line. Now switch on ortho mode and draw a line of 2 millimeter. It is very small. Okay, enter. Now I need to draw an oblique line of 30°, and that's why I need the polar tracking. So go to polar tracking and delete the previous one, and I need to set a new degree. So click on new, and I need 30°, so put 30°. Okay, now select line and switch on polar tracking. Now click here, and this is our 30° angle polar tracking, and we need dimension of 2 millimeters. So click on 2, enter. Okay, now along this direction, just again switch on ortho mode. Along this direction we need 1 millimeter, so 1, enter. Along this direction we need 1 millimeter, 1, enter. Along this direction again we need 1, put 1 and enter. And now switch off ortho mode and switch on polar tracking. We need 30° angle, so this is our 30° angle set by previous one. Now we need 2 millimeter, so put on 2, enter. Again this direction we need 0.5, enter. Along this direction we need 2, put 2, enter. And now just join these two lines and just enter. So we have got our object. Now we need to put the dimension. So for putting the dimension, just click here and at first take linear. Now just click here at this endpoint and again at this endpoint. Okay, so it is very big, so we need to change the dimensioning style. So go to annotation and click here. So it is ISO 25, we need standard one, so click on standard. Now set current, close. Now just delete this one. Now again go to annotation, now go to linear, just click on endpoint and again in this endpoint. Okay, but there is more numbers after point, so go to annotation, the standard, modify. Now go for primary units and take just 2 points up, 2 numbers after point. So click OK, close. Okay, now from here select aligned. Now click at this point and at this endpoint, so it is 2. Now select linear, so click here at this endpoint and also at this endpoint, so it is 1. Again select this one, click at this endpoint and at this endpoint, it is also 1. Again select this one, endpoint, again at this endpoint. Okay, now we need angle actually, so select angular. Now define the angle between these two lines, So select these two lines. So this is the angle. Again select angular. So we need angle between these two lines. So this is one line, this is another line. So select this one, 60 degree. Now we need aligned. Now click at this endpoint and also at this endpoint, and it is 2. Now select linear and click at this endpoint and also at this endpoint and make it 0.5. So finally we have made our first lesson, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like and share. Thank you.